Two standout platforms for payroll and HR. One burning question: which service truly works for your business? On the left, Gusto. Smart, simple payroll and HR for startups and small teams. On the right, Justworks. A full-service PEO packing enterprise-grade benefits. Let's skip the buzzwords and focus on the features that actually matter. We'll award points in every category, so you'll see exactly who comes out on top. And the winner in 2025 might surprise you. Quick heads up. Here's our mind map. It's like our roadmap for today. We're going to look at pricing, HR and compliance, benefits and perks, integrations, customer support, and of course, the ideal use case. So yeah, we'll hit all of the big points you're probably worried about.
First up, pricing.
All right, so with Gusto, you get those nice lower starting costs, which, let's be real, are awesome if you're just getting your business off the ground. There's also transparency in the plans, so no nasty surprises. But if you want all the fancy features, or you scale up crazy fast, those costs do creep up. Now, Justworks, it's a flat per employee fee, which makes budgeting super easy. But honestly, it's much pricier. And sometimes you have to hit certain minimums just to get all those premium goodies. So yeah, if you're watching every dollar, Gusto is definitely in the lead on price. Now, for HR and compliance. Gusto gives you all the basics. New hire reporting, W-2s, 1099s, the usual suspects. But here's a catch. You're basically on your own for any sticky legal stuff. It's kind of standard support. Meanwhile, Justworks? Oh, and here's something cool. It actually handles way more. You get multi-state compliance, federal regulations, and they even share employer liability because they're a full-on PEO. Downside? The processes can be a little rigid, but honestly, for peace of mind, Justworks just goes above and beyond here. All right, perks and benefits. Gusto does all right. You've got health, dental, and vision for small teams, plus a basic 401k. But let's be real, in some regions, the options get pretty slim, and you don't get any of that big company buying power. And Justworks, this is where it flexes. You're looking at proper enterprise-level insurance, even for pretty small companies. Stuff like better rates, plus the extra perks. You know, gym memberships, wellness programs, all the fancy things. One thing though, you might need a minimum group size to unlock those sweet spot packages. Knowing that, Justworks seriously wins big if premium perks matter for you. Quick fun fact, did you know with a PEO like Justworks, your employees might access Fortune 500 level health benefits, even if you're a team of 10. Wild, right? Speaking of making life easier, integrations. Gusto, wow, it totally crushes here. You get to hook up with over 600 business tools. Think accounting, HR stuff, niche platforms, the whole lot. There's an API, and the marketplace is robust. Justworks? The list is way shorter. Core accounting and HR systems? Yeah, but maybe 30 integrations max? So if you're into customizing, or you're running your business off different platforms, Gusto seriously comes out ahead. Next, customer support. Gusto offers chat, email, phone, lots of ways to reach out. Hours are extended during the week, but heads up, nothing on weekends or overnight. If you're working late, you're kind of stuck. Now, Justworks is something else. You get 24/7 support with real live reps, HR consultants, and all that. You can use phone, SMS, chat, email, like pick whatever channel you want. So for support, if you want someone there whenever the chaos hits, Justworks is the go-to. All right, so who are these for, really? Gusto nails it for startups, small business owners who want something affordable, flexible, and honestly, not overkill. It's simple and doesn't bog you down. On the other hand, Justworks is perfect for small to mid-sized businesses who want to outsource all the HR headaches, get solid benefits, and operate in multiple states. It's robust, maybe too robust, and pricey for a tiny team. But if you're growing and need that safety net, it's hard to beat. This one's honestly a tie. Depends on where your biz is at. Just to sum things up visually, imagine a radar chart showing Gusto killing it on pricing and integrations, but Justworks covering you for compliance, benefits, and always-on support. So depending on what you care about most, you can see where each shines. So, big picture, if your budget's tight, your team's fairly small, and you want things to be straightforward, Gusto is absolutely your best bet. If you want premium support, no headaches with compliance, and insane benefits, even as a growing company, Justworks is worth the extra investment. I'd say know your needs and you'll have a clear winner. For pricing and integrations, Gusto grabs the trophy. But for everything enterprise and support related, Justworks takes it.
Hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, save it for your next HR tech decision. Seriously, making moves in 2025 has never been easier.